Hi everyone, konnichiwa. I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today we are going to make sweet potato. This sweet potato is a Western style confectionery that is originated in Japan. So there is no English name and it's made mainly from sweet potato. And you can buy sweet potato, the sweets, at convenience stores or supermarket these days, and even at Japanese style bakeries. And it's very popular and traditional in Japan. So today I will introduce my style sweet potato that I cook for my children. As always, my furry family, Mario and Luigi, will be joining as a helper. マコルちゃん、as a helper として頑張ってね。Okay, shall we make? Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Sweet potato, it's ready. So let's try tasting. いただきます。Black sesame on top. So this sweet potato has a very smooth texture and it's easy to eat. And it's combined with whipped cream and butter, so it has a very rich flavor. The bite size makes it easy for kids to eat. ごちそうさまでした。Here are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. Tip to make Japanese sweet potato, the cake. I recommend to use the Japanese sweet potato, like beniharuka. Tip, when you're in a hurry, I recommend to put the cellophane wrap over the sweet potato and microwave for 5 minutes. But for more smooth texture, I recommend to boil for 10 minutes. Tip, once all the ingredients are mixed to form a smooth dough, you don't need to heat for more. So those are tips and recommendations. How was this sweet potato recipe? It's very easy to make. So I really recommend. If you have a sweet potato and whipped cream and butter in your kitchen, it's time for you to make it. And you can make a lot in advance and then freeze. So I really recommend. This sweet potato cake can be side dish for kids and babies. So it can be both sweet and meal. Special thanks to Mario and Luigi. Thank you, thank you. They always live in this basket in my recipe channel, but I started my private family life vlog as a second channel. It's called YUCa's Diary. YUCa's Diary. And you will see them active and running and play with my children. So please subscribe the channel as well. And if you want to know more about Japanese food and culture, please join my mailing list. To sign in, please go to my food blog. It's called yjc.tokyo. yjc.tokyo. The pop-up screen comes up. So please type your email address and name and click. And that's it. And if you see this video for the first time, thank you for coming. And please subscribe my channel. I introduce easy and simple and yummy Japanese food, including baby food and kids meals, and also sweets like today. And my subscribers, please hit the like button. Your like button motivates me to create new recipe video, and also it helps the video out. We will see you next time. Bye bye.